I just got back from getting the tow hitch right there. I got this in the deal for the Surron Ultra B. So it was to include his motorcycle carrier. This has a 600-pound capacity. This is only 400-pound capacity for stuff like this, so not as much as I would want, but it's still, at least it's a 2-inch. This is 2-inch. So we'll get this put on. Gotta drop the exhaust, so take off the hangers for the exhaust, do a few things, and then you fish the bolts through it. So alright, stay tuned. Alright, took me all night, but I got the hitch installed. Can't hardly see it, but got the hitch there. And I put this heavy, this thing is heavy. Again, 600-pound capacity motorcycle carrier. Just gonna start with putting the Surron Ultra B on it, and then I will load my motorcycle later and probably take it up to the lake later on. Get the ramp off. To fish. Well, almost impossible. Definitely have those already in place would definitely help out. here. Hold it up. Like that. Alright, let's take this. We're learning. We're going to go through the frame here. There we go. That's a good one right there. Alright, I'm gonna get a few different straps. straps down really nice. Besides, the front is going to have a strap on each side, realistically. So, other than that, I like it. Nice. I'll be able to take this thing wherever I need to go now. And you can still see my brake lights. Good deal. Alright, time to take this down the road, see if it's working. Make sure that doesn't shift. And again, I'll need 2 separate straps on the front to keep that stable, but I think that's a good mounting point for the back. Almost perfect right there. And then again, I shouldn't need those lights because you can still see my tail lights. So can't see my license plate, but oh well. Got one on the front. No, actually I don't have one on the front. Oh, tough shit, please. Made it out to a nature preserve owned by the city I live in. Of course you got to go pee on that. Why wouldn't you? Got this, it's got a few shelters and it's got a nice lake. Got some nice paths. You're definitely not supposed to have any motorized vehicles out here in certain areas, but I'm completely by myself, so we're going to test this out a little bit, and man, it's so nice to have this. So I'm going to get this off here, use the ramp, and it's so easy. So easy. I wish I had a little tripod or something here to show you guys. That's a little too far away, so it'll be alright. So, alright, to continue. Alright, and just like that, the Surron Ultra B is offloaded. I love the ramp. I love the little wheel chock in the front. I love the tie downs. Perfect. Perfect. Make sure everything's still on. We're good. Set this up for later. So everything's set up. I just gotta pull everything through. He's whining. He's ready to go. Alright, dude. Let's go check some stuff out. Alright, guys. Just wanted to show you guys that. And I wish I could kind of prop this up and show you the process of loading it on and off. But, yeah. I mean, if you can get your hands on one of these, it's a Hall Master. I think I saw it was only like $189 on sale on some website, if not 200 and something. Still good deal. I'd highly recommend. That's a 2-inch receiver, and there is the Kurt receiver. I think it was 13067 or something, but you'd have to have the Ford Edge limited and only fits certain models or whatever. Alright, dude. Alright, let's go. That's where we just came from. This place goes on and on and on. I didn't grab a map. I think we're lost. No, I'm just joking. I'm gonna head back this way. Let me show you, it's really cool. Nice little path. Got everything kind of to ourselves out here, which is nice. I'm supposed to have him on a leash at all times, which I have right here just in case. He's got his harness. And I'm not supposed to have this. I dropped it again. That's like the 4th or 5th time. This thing is pretty heavy. That is its downfall. But I was rolling backwards down this hill and I didn't know what to do. I should have just dropped the camera, obviously. Alright, buddy. Let's head back to the car. Slow. Let's go slow. you guys a little bit of it, if I can. I mean, I hate to drop my bike again. He knows right where he's at now that he's peed everywhere. Brian, slow down. Cool little bridge to go over. Yeah, I put my other hand down. Even a Nico has enough to get through these steep hills, steep inclines all of a sudden. What a great bike. I love this bike. Slow down. He's like, no, you need to speed up. Oh, there we go. One-handed over that bridge. I got like 3/4 the way over that bridge. And I started leaning one way and I was like, not worth the risk of falling over there. Good job, buddy. Now which way? Are you sure? Are you sure? He's like, don't question me. I know where I'm at. Slow down. Is that where you peed last time? Hey. Oh yeah, he is right. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. You're right. You're right. I would have been lost. Glad I have you. Here we are. Those people definitely selling them. I'm not too worried about it. Oh, that's fun. It's a good time. Besides tipping over. Did you have fun, buddy? That wear you out enough? Alright guys, well, again, if you're in the market for the Surron Ultra B, if that's the reason you're watching my video, highly recommend getting it. It's amazing. I love this bike. I highly recommend you getting something like this for, convenience. This is amazing as well. Both setups, or the hitch. I guess I just grabbed the hitch for $65, luckily, because I didn't want to invest too much more into this. This might look nice on video or from a distance, but that's a 2013 Ford Edge with 225,000 miles and all kinds of issues. As you see, the roof doesn't close because of these stupid plastic things that close that panoramic roof, snap all the time. Very common thing. And guess what? The replacement parts are metal. Probably should have just been metal to begin with. So, because I mean, you got to take the head, you got to take everything out, all the like the oh shit handle, all that fun stuff, everything. That's my gripe for the day. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you are not already. And enjoy the rest of your day or night wherever you are. Peace out. Loading and unloading, like literally only takes 2 to 5 minutes. I mean, max. This thing's amazing. I love it. Absolutely love it. Very well made. So like just, like I said in my videos before, I'm only 5'7", like maybe 120 pounds. That thing weighs way more than I do. So that thing's thick. I mean, it's some steel. So, highly recommend that. Highly recommend the Ultra B. Perfect setup here. Such a great day. You know, if I was on a different dirt bike, I'd probably have the sheriff out here or whoever comes out here. So, all right, guys. Again, thanks for watching. Peace out.